Today our topic is Indian Scientist Part B. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Bhargav Sri Prakash. Bhargav Sri Prakash is an Indian entrepreneur and engineer based in Silicon Valley. Sri Prakash has worked in gamification and is the inventor of digital vaccine technology to reduce the risk of lifestyle diseases. He is the founder and CEO of Friendslane and is the chief of product for Foya, which is a mobile app designed to improve health. He is a former professional tennis player and junior national championship from India. Birbal Sahni. Birbal Sahni, born in 14 November 1891, died in 10th April 1949, was an Indian paleobotanist who studied the fossils of the Indian subcontinent. He also took an interest in geology and archaeology. He founded what is now the Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany at Lucknow in 1946. His major contributions were in the study of the fossil plants of India and in plant evolution. He was also involved in the establishment of Indian science education and served as the president of the National Academy of Sciences, India, and as an honorary president of the International Botanical Congress, Stockholm. Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He is the author of two early works on mathematics and astronomy: the Brahmasputa Siddhanta, a theoretical treatise, and the Khandakadayaga, a more practical text. Brahmagupta was the first to give rules to compute the zero. The text composed by Brahmagupta were in elliptical verse in Sanskrit, as was common practice in Indian mathematics. As no proofs are given, it is not known how Brahmagupta's results were derived. Biman Bagachi. Biman Bagachi, born 1954, is an Indian biophysical chemist, theoretical chemist, and an Amrut Modi professor at the Solid State and Structural Chemistry Unit of the Indian Institute of Science. He is known for his studies on statistical mechanics, particularly in the study of phase transition and nucleation, solvation dynamics, mode coupling, theory of electrolyte transport, dynamics of biological macromolecules, protein folding, enzyme kinetics, supercooled liquids, and protein hydrogen layer. Bola Vital Shetty. Bola Vital Shetty is an Indian-born American scientist who developed metolazone and was associated with the Food and Drug Administration Agency. Bhaskara was 7th century mathematician who was the first to write numbers in the Hindu decimal system with a circle for the zero, and who gave a unique and remarkable rational approximation of the sine function in his commentary on Aryabhata's work. This commentary, Aryabhatiya Bhashya, written in 629 CE, is among the oldest known prose works in Sanskrit on mathematics and astronomy. He also wrote two astronomical works in the line of Aryabhata's school, the Mahabhaskariya and Laghu Bhaskariya. On 7th June 1979, the Indian Space Research Organization launched Bhaskara 1, honoring the mathematician. Bhaskara 2, and also known as Bhaskacharya. Bhaskara 2, to avoid confusion with Bhaskara 1, was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Bijalpur, Karnataka. Bhaskara and his works represent a significant contribution to mathematical and astronomical knowledge in the 12th century. He has been called the greatest mathematician of medieval India. His main work, Siddhanta Shiromani, is divided into 4 parts called Lilavati, Bijaganita, Gahaganita, and Golodaya. which are also sometimes considered four independent works. These four sections deal with arithmetic, algebra, mathematics of the planets, and spaces respectively. He also wrote another treatise named Karna Kautuhala. Benjamin Pierre Paul. Benjamin Pierre Paul, born on 26 May 1906, died on 4 September 1989, was the first director of Indian Council of Agriculture Research. He was one of the foremost scientists in wheat genetics and breeding. Vikas Kanta Chakraborty. Vikas Kanta Chakraborty, born 14 December 1952 in Calcutta, is an Indian physicist. Since January 2018, he is the Emeritus Professor of Physics at the Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata, India. Bishwarup Mukhopadhyaya. Bishwarup Mukhopadhyaya, born 1st August 1960, is an Indian theoretical high-energy physicist and a senior professor at Harishchandra Research Institute, a national institute founded by the Department of Atomic Energy, known for his research on high-energy colliders, Higgs bosons, neutrons. Mukhopadhyaya is an elected fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, India, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the apex agency of Government of India for Scientific Research, awarded him the Shant Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, one of the highest Indian science award for his contribution to physical sciences in 2003. B.L. Kankadri Somayajulu. Bhimdipati Lakshmidhara Kankadri Somayajulu, born 1937, is an Indian geochemist and a CSIR Emeritus Scientist at Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. He is known for his studies on ancient and contemporary marine processes and is an elected fellow of several sciences societies such as the National Academy of Sciences, India Geological Society of India, Indian Geophysical Union, American Geophysical Union, European Association for Geochemistry, Indian Academy of Sciences and the Indian National Science Academy, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, the apex agency of the Government of India for Scientific Research, awarded him the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, one of the highest Indian science awards for his contribution to Earth, atmosphere, ocean and planetary sciences in 1978. B.V. Srikantan. Badnaval Venkata Subba Srikantan, born 30 June 1925, is an Indian high-energy astrophysicist and a former associate of Homi J. Bhabha at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. He is also a Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Visiting Professor at the National Institute of Advanced Studies, Bangalore, known for his studies in the fields of cosmic rays, elementary particles, and high-energy X-ray astronomics. Srikantan is an elected fellow of all the three major Indian Sciences Academies, namely the Indian Academy of Sciences, the Indian National Science Academy, and the National Academy of Sciences, India, as well as the Maharashtra Academy of Sciences. The Government of India awarded him the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor, in 1988.